I'm opposed to the money that the American government has given to Israel. And my hope is that no more money will be given now. If I could give a message to President Biden, I'd say, President Biden, open your eyes. Look at what's happening in Gaza. Look at the devastation in Gaza.
We want to see U.S. lawmakers standing up, pressuring Biden, making known their solidarity with Palestinian people, making known that they do not condone this violence, this massacre and slaughter against innocent people.